Yeah, this is embarrassing. I feel really embarrassed. Hi guys, hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be cleaning out this guy right here. This is my refrigerator, and cleaning out my refrigerator has definitely been really high on my to-do list, like high on my priority list for quite some time now. Ever since Los Angeles went on lockdown, aka self-quarantine, I have been cooking more. And if you know me at all, you'd know I barely cook. It's not my thing. Don't pay attention to my hair, by the way. It's going through something right now. But yeah, lately I've been cooking more. I've been cooking every single day. And the other day while I was cooking, I was like, I really enjoy cooking. And I have caught myself going to bed at night getting really excited to wake up the next day so that I can cook, which is weird, which is so weird for me to say, but also it's also really exciting to discover this about myself, which is why it was really important for me to clean this refrigerator out, because cooking means spending more time in the kitchen, aka spending more time with the refrigerator. I'm filming this intro, by the way, after I've already cleaned out my refrigerator, and let me tell you, okay, my refrigerator was nasty, okay? It was so nasty. Please don't judge me. Also, I want to mention really quick that I'm so happy that I inspired you guys to organize and clean as well. After posting my closet organization video, a lot of you guys have commented, left me DMs saying that you have also been organizing because of me. If you haven't seen that video yet, I'm gonna link it down below for you guys, but I organize and declutter and clean out my entire closet. It's a very satisfying video. Also, be sure to let me know down in the comment section below what other part of the house you want me to declutter and organize next. Do you want my pantry, my makeup room, my bathrooms? Let me know. And lastly, before we get started with the cleaning, I want to reach out again to some of you who are struggling because of the coronavirus, aka COVID-19. If you are out of work because of COVID-19 and you need help with food or groceries, DM me on Instagram. This is my Instagram username. DM me your Venmo or your PayPal. I'm gonna be using my sister's account, and I'm gonna be sending out $100 to whoever I reach out to. And again, your girl does not have billions and billions of dollars to give out. I wish I did, but I will do my very best to reach out to as many of you as I can. All right, we're ready to begin. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and without further ado, let's do this. Here we go, you guys. Here we go. Here it is. Yeah, this is embarrassing. I feel really embarrassed showing you guys what my refrigerator and freezer looks like, because I mean, come on, this is crazy. Thumbs up this video, leave a comment down in the comment section if your refrigerator looks like this too, so I don't feel alone. But this is the whole point of this video, right? To show you the before, the crazy before, and then we clean it and organize it together for that satisfying after. All right, are we ready? I think we are. Let's do this.
Days are long, your car won't start. It's hard to fix shit with a broken heart. I know growing up, it's not what it seems. Man, half of you is 30, half is 17. Wish we could live in the moment. It gets harder and harder to focus. We just ran, so it's harder to own it. So if it helps ya, I'm here with ya. Baby, don't you cry no more. I got 2 arms in an open door. Sure as there's a night and day, I know things are gonna be okay. You and I are the same. Ain't a thing that could change us. We're just riding a wave. Play the game, but it played us. No sleep, you got your eyes wide open.
Yes!
It's scary like a sci-fi show.
That gunk was so hard to remove.
Let me see, which one?
Did it? Oh, there's like a big gunk on it.
Oh my gosh.
And it took forever to come off.
You did it.
Wow, very proud of this. Very proud. There was a lot more gunk than I thought, so that part took me quite a while to clean, but overall, I'm very happy with the progress.
Don't you cry no more. I got 2 arms in an arms and an open door. Sure as there's a night and day, I know things are gonna be okay.
These containers, by the way, I purchased these a long time ago at the Container Store, in case any of you were wondering. So in here, I'm gonna put all of our like deli meats, like salami, turkey bacon, and all of that.
I wanna let you know, even when it gets hard and we wanna let go, I still love you like crazy. I wanna let you know, even when it gets hard and we wanna let go. Never been the type for giving up. Complicated situations only make it worse, cause just getting started is not enough. I'll be around when you need me, promise there won't be no leave. Even on my worst days, 2 a.m. my shift face, tripping off something that you done, yeah. I would never listen my what converse and run out on you. I know we got our problems, but I would never walk out on you. I wanna let you know, even when it gets hard and we wanna let go, I still love you like crazy. I wanna.
Alright, you guys, refrigerator is done, and now we move on to the freezer.
When it gets hard and we wanna let go, even though you're stressed about the small shit sometimes, nothing I can say to you could change up your mind. I'll get on your nerves and then we'll fight. Give you all the space you need in on those nights, yeah. Even on your worst days, when you get in my face, tripping on something that I've done, yeah. I would never listen my what converse and run out on you, no. I know we got our problems, I would never walk out on you. I wanna let you know, even when it gets hard and we wanna let go, I still love you like crazy.
My precious longanisa, if you know, you know.
Even when it gets hard and we wanna let go, I wanna let you know, even when it gets hard and we wanna let go, I still love you like crazy. Love you like crazy.
About to get Arnold's reaction for the first time.
Can I open it now?
Yes.
Okay. What? Stop. What the heck? This is so pleasing to the eyes. Wow, it's so good.
Freezer?
Oh my gosh. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. This looks so aesthetically pleasing. And you even got all the gunk out.
The gunk?
Yeah, like right
All
here.
the gunks?
All the gunks? Wow, great job, love.
You like it?
I love. You did so great.
I wanna let